Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed to my channel. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Today's video is me showing you what I'm taking to the Stanley Hotel. Going to the Stanley Hotel with a couple of friends soon. We're going to spend 3 nights there. It is a hotel in Estes, Colorado, where Stephen King was inspired to write The Shining. So I'm going to show you what I am bringing with me. I'll show you what I'm bringing on the plane. I'm bringing things that are especially emollient because it is pretty high in terms of altitude. And the last time I was up in the mountains, I got pretty bad altitude sickness and I was just dry everywhere. So I'm bringing a lot of emollient products, and I also am TSA pre-approved. So I don't have to have my liquids in kind of the one little bag, which is super duper convenient. So if you'd like to see what I'm bringing to the Stanley Hotel, please keep watching. All right, my in-transit bag, antibacterial gel, cleansing wipes, lip care, Dramamine. This works in transit camera close-up, a Shiseido eye cream, and Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Body, and I'm being totally honest here because I'm not sure that I'm going to be taking a shower. You need shower sheets just to kind of wash myself if the bathroom's too terrifying to wash myself in. A thick shea butter from the Body Shop lotion because it does get very dry because of the altitude, and some lavanella deodorant. Hair, because I am not planning on washing my hair while I'm there. Elizabeth & James Nirvana White Dry Shampoo, which is a great dry shampoo and it smells nice. And obviously some Verb Ghost Oil because Stanley Hotel. Day. Bringing a small Shiseido Urban Environment, this is the regular size but it's small, for sunscreen. Bringing my Bioderma, which is kind of halfway empty. Bringing some cotton buds for my Bioderma. A Belief Moisture Balm. Bringing some Urban Decay All Nighter. Bringing some Shiseido Ultimate Serum, which I like a lot, just expecting it to be dry up there. And some 3Lab, which I haven't used before. This is an eye treatment. Night. Makeup removing wipes. This is really more for morning to take off what I have had on in the evening. Earplugs. Enough for my friends in case I snore. Breathe Rights. Also kind of for my friends, but for me to wear in case I snore. 2 of these little Sephora eye makeup removing wipes. A small Clinique Take the Day Off. A This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I'm hoping that I'm able to sleep, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna be too scared to sleep. And Intensity Complete. This is an eye serum. Trying to keep myself as moisturized as possible. Leaving this in the box. This is an Eve Loam oil, and I just don't, it's glass, so I don't want it to get broken, but I'll definitely be using that. A small container of the Fresh Black Tea Corset Cream. A tiny Glossier Balm.com, which I think came in this last month's Ipsy, in the March Ipsy. An Aven Hydrating Serum. And Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream. Probably more moisturizers than I need, but it is going to be high altitude up there. Makeup. I'm bringing this Fleur de Force bag, and everything is in containers except for a couple of things. So I'm bringing tweezers, my Vera Mona Color Switch, eyelash curlers. The one pre-made palette that I'm bringing is the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette because it's colorful, because it has a nice mirror, and because the color names are appropriate. And then I have 3 little bags. So in this little bag is my eye stuff. I am bringing 2 eyeliners. I'm bringing my NYX Black Liquid Liner, and I'm bringing my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Bringing a sample of the Dior Show Mascara. Bringing my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Bringing a small thing of the Milk Makeup the Under Eye Cooling Stick. Bringing my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I'm bringing a ColourPop palette. This is a palette that I made by just taking out the inside, and these are 10 of my kind of go-to eyeshadows. I will put the names of the shadows up on the screen. Face Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder, the Balm In Stain in Spring, Kevin Aucoin Sculpting and Celestial Powder, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and Neutralizer, MAC Prep and Prime and Radiant Rose in case I'm not sleeping, Smashbox Photo Finish in Pore Minimizing, and my Hourglass Vanish Foundation in Vanilla. Brushes, not bringing very many. I'm bringing my Mariah Carey from MAC Kabuki brush for powder with the fabulous glitter handle, a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, dual-sided Kat Von D highlighter and contour, a small Luxie blush brush, and my Wayne Goss holiday brush that came out for under eye setting. And then I'm just bringing a small Sigma blending brush, dual-sided from the Vice 2. This is a flat shadow brush and a contour brush. An Elizabeth Mott blending brush, a Real Techniques medium shadow brush, which is nice just for laying down shadow, and then Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush, which is really nice just for doing a lot of blending. And then lipstick, I realize I'm not packing any because I'm just taking what I have in my purse. So this is the makeup bag that I carry in my purse every day that I'll be taking with me. Taking my Dinoplatz blotting paper, which has a nice mirror. Rimmel Exaggerate in Easton Snob, Kat Von D in Outlaw, and these I like because I don't have to sharpen either of them. Pat McGrath Major Red, ColourPop Dopey, Pat McGrath Revelation Red lipstick, which is so pretty. Chanel Rouge Allure Velvet, this is number 3, and this is in the special red holiday packaging. I don't need 3 red lip products, but there I am. All right, that is what I'm bringing with me. Thank you for watching. Wish me luck. I'll let you know how it went when I get back. I'm excited and a little scared, but I'm also excited. And it'll be nice to get away with my friends. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon.